In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top, select Open in pop-up view and wait. As you can see now, I can use my app in this window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To use more options of pop-up view, click on the same line and operate all of those. To scale your window, hold one of its corners and drag it. Then let go. If you want to turn it into a bubble, click on Home button and then to access it, click on the bubble. To close your window completely, you can always swipe your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!